Hello guys, this is me Darshan and welcome to this video. Today we are going to unbox Jaspo Hurricane Skateboard Black Panther version. So let us move to unboxing. Okay guys, let me grab my knife for unboxing. Let us make a cut here. Yes guys. Okay guys, now let us open it. Yes. Wow, look at this. They have given a helmet over here. This helmet is weightless and it is escort. Okay, let us see next. And they are given us safety. This is the knee pads. You can put it in your hands and your legs. They are given for both. Okay, and not the last and the least, we have got our skateboard. Let me throw this box down. Okay, now let us take the skateboard from the package. Wow, see this Black Panther. Wow, the Black Panther is nice. Look at this Black Panther. Wow, it's good. Check out the wheels. These wheels are also awesome. Wow, the bearings are also good. See, it goes on spinning. Okay guys, let us move to review. Okay guys, let us start our review with the helmet. So let us check the helmet now. Helmet quality is good. The outside plastic is very strong and inside they are given us a thermocol so it would fit properly in a head and gives a support to a head. Okay guys, let us move to knee pad and elbow pad. So let us open it. Okay guys, I have just opened it. Check this out. There are two for the knee and these two are for elbows. Like the helmet only, even this plastic is very strong and it's very protective guys. So let us keep it aside. Okay guys, finally let us move to skateboard. So the skateboard is also nice. It is also a little bit weightless. This is a professional skateboard actually. Okay, let us see the trucks now. The trucks is made up of heavy nylon and if you lose the trucks, the wheels would move very smoothly. As it's factory packed, so it is very tight now. Let us lose it afterwards. So let us check out the measurements of this skateboard. Okay guys, the skateboard length is 26.5 inches and the width of the skateboard is 6.5 inches and the height of the skateboard is 5 inches. It is a bit small, but this is for my brother so he can play with it. So it is perfect for him. Okay guys, let us come back to the wheels. It is 80A thickness. And there are bushes over the trucks, so that is 85A. That's going to help you for turning. So I suggest for professionals this skateboard. This skateboard is suitable for Indian roads and skate parks. It has a concave design which helps us to lift the skateboard for doing any stunts. So if you want to buy this product, check out in the description. I suggest you to buy this product because it's good. And I forgot to tell one thing. This skateboard has been equally balanced so you can get more control. Okay guys, if you want to support me, check out in the description and follow me in Instagram and Facebook and join our Discord family and check any of these two videos. In the upcoming videos, we'll show you how to learn skateboard for beginners. Okay guys, for more videos, stay tuned.